George Harris. I operate at Jackson Hewitt Tax Service. Here at Jackson Hewitt, we process personal and business tax returns for our customers. We try to make the experience as pleasurable as possible, even though it is paying taxes. Other services are, we teach tax school about this time of year in the fall, where we teach potential tax preparers or people who just want to learn more about taxes, the basics about taxes. How do we get started? Well, we got started about 10 years ago. It was based on a suggestion of a friend of mine who said, yeah, you have a financial background, no, you just do taxes. Well, I didn't want to just do taxes, but I did have an entrepreneurial spirit, and I said, I'll look into Jackson Hewitt. So 10 years later, here I am. The challenges with a tax service is, I think the biggest challenge is seasonal business. So you make a lot of the money in the beginning of the year, but you have to make sure you don't spend it all. You know, you have to be able to make sure you keep that nest egg there until you make it to next tax season. And sometimes the nest egg is not as big as it normally is sometimes, so that does have a challenge. But we were able to overcome them, and here we are. Okay. Well, my financial background. My financial background started with accounting in Baruch College. They said, oh, you're good at numbers, so you should be an accountant. Well, that wasn't exactly right. You know, I found that accounting itself was not exactly very interesting. So I went further on to get my master's, but I changed to financial management. And I used that skill to get a job in several budget departments in several companies in New York. And from there, I still had that entrepreneurial spirit. So I said I should try to branch out because many other companies are making so much money doing these financial services. So I said I should try to do it myself. Okay, how we provide our service. We try to provide 100% electronic transactions of our tax returns. We want to do everything online, as little paper as possible, and it's as green as possible. What makes us unique is the fact that we probe our customers. We pull information from them. Other tax preparers, they don't know exactly how to save the money. They just put the figures in the computer and expect the computer to figure it out. But it's not just that. You have to know what type of credits can they qualify for, why, and ask the appropriate questions. Over the years, I have saved people thousands of dollars just because they didn't know that they could qualify for something and get it done on their taxes and get a larger refund or pay less in taxes. And we are looking for serious people who understand the importance of filing a proper and honest tax return. That's what we need in a customer. I understand how it's a lot of people who try to save money on taxes, but the best way to do it is honestly. We have a lot of tax preparers out there who do not strive for that, and what I call them fly-by-nights. They open up one tax season, they're going to the next because either the customers are after them or the IRS, one or the other. But we've been here for many years, and that's the type of clients that we're actually looking for. As for investors, maybe possibly partners, if I would get a partner, I would need someone to be as passionate as I am, as hardworking as I am, which I don't know if I'll be able to find, but but that's what I would be looking for, someone who would help me grow this business. I had to scale back in years because I just didn't have the proper infrastructure of people who were hardworking and determined like I was to hang in there in the business. But that's exactly what I would be looking for, an investor or partner. Again, my name is George Harris. I operate at Jackson Hewitt Tax Service. My main location is 4375 White Plains Road in the Bronx. Zip code is 10466. I have a second location at 666A Castle Hill Avenue in the Bronx, zip 10473. And my telephone number is 718-547-1910. And my website is jacksonhewitt.com. And you can go to the office locator and type in the zip code 10466 or 10473. And you should find